Welcome to Rich Routines, the channel dedicated to giving you the real financial education that nobody taught you in school. Every week we break down the habits, strategies, and mindset shifts that separate people who build lasting wealth from people who earn money their entire lives and still end up with nothing. Today we are talking about one of the most invisible and dangerous financial problems affecting millions of people right now. Your money is disappearing, and you have absolutely no idea why. Let us get into it. You check your bank account, the money went in, your salary arrived on time, but somehow it is already almost gone. You did not go on vacation, you did not make any big purchase, you did not feel like you spent that much this month, but the balance is sitting at almost zero. Again, this happens every single month to millions of people. And the terrifying part is that most of them cannot explain where the money went. Not even roughly. They know rent went out. They know they bought food. But the rest, hundreds or sometimes thousands of dollars or rupees, simply vanished. Without drama, without a big decision. Without any single moment you can point to and say, that is where it went. This invisible, silent, unexplained drain on your finances has a name. It is called financial ghosting. And once you understand it, you will never look at your bank account the same way again. So what exactly is financial ghosting? Let me define this clearly. Financial ghosting is not about overspending on one big thing. It is not about a shopping addiction or a single bad financial decision. Financial ghosting is the invisible, silent, slow drain on your money that happens from multiple small directions simultaneously, and that you never notice because no single drain is large enough to feel significant on its own. Think about the last time someone ghosted you. They did not send you a dramatic message ending things. They just slowly stopped responding, faded away, disappeared quietly, without a moment you could point to as the end. Your money does exactly the same thing. It does not leave all at once. It disappears in small amounts, from different directions, at different times. A subscription here, an unnecessary fee there. In this video, we are going to expose all four of them, and then give you a simple fix that can recover hundreds of dollars every single month starting this week. Reason 1. Subscription creep. The first and most common way your money ghosts you every month is through what financial experts call subscription creep. And I want to ask you something right now. When did you last sit down and go through every single subscription charge on your bank statement? Not just the ones you remember, every single one. Because research shows that the average person significantly underestimates how much they pay. You think you are paying $30? The real number, for most people, is closer to $110 to $130. Why such a gap? Because companies are extraordinarily good at making you forget they exist. They charge monthly, so the payment never feels significant. Netflix, a gym membership you have not used, a cloud storage plan, a meditation app, a streaming service for one show, an AI tool, a magazine. None of these feel like problems individually, but add them up, 12 months a year, and you are losing between $1,200 and $1,500 every single year. That is real money, ghosting you every single month. Reason 2. Lifestyle inflation. This one is particularly dangerous because it feels completely normal. It even feels like something you deserve. Every time your income goes up, you spend more. You get a raise, you upgrade your phone. You get a bonus, you start eating out more. Your income grows, you move to a bigger apartment. None of this feels wrong because you are earning more. But if your expenses always rise to match your income, your savings never grow. You can earn $500 or $5,000, and if your expenses eat all of it, you end up equally broke at the end of every month. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is the only number that actually builds wealth. Lifestyle inflation silently closes that gap. Your income grows. Your expenses grow just as fast. This is financial ghosting at its most sophisticated because it disguises itself as success. The third ghost is micro-spending. And this is the sneakiest one of all because these are purchases so small your brain doesn't register them. A $3 coffee on the way to work, a $7 delivery fee on a food order, a $2 in-app purchase, upgrading your meal for $4, a small impulse item at the checkout, ordering delivery instead of cooking, saving time but spending an extra $5. None of these feel like they matter. Your brain gives you zero resistance to making micro purchases. There is no internal warning system, no moment of hesitation, no feeling of consequence. But here is the math that changes everything. $3 a day on one coffee habit alone. That is $90 a month, $1,080 a year. If you had invested that same amount monthly at 10% return, in 10 years, it would have become over $20,000. Micro-spending is not just about what it cost you today. It is about what it costs you in lost growth. Reason 4. Invisible bank fees, monthly maintenance fees, low balance penalties, ATM withdrawal fees, inactivity fees, foreign transaction charges, overdraft fees, paper statement fees. A $12 maintenance fee is $144 a year. ATM fees 3 times a month is $108 a year. One overdraft fee a month is $180. That is $432 per year in fees alone. Just in fees, taken automatically, silently, without a conscious decision. Banks collect tens of billions in fees this way every single year, systematically, and almost invisibly. Now that you know all 4 ghosts, let us talk about how to stop them. You do not need a financial advisor. You need 3 steps. You need 30 minutes and 3 steps. Here is your complete financial ghost audit. Step 1. Pull your last 3 months of bank statements. Go through every single recurring charge. Highlight every subscription, every fee, every automatic payment. Then apply this simple rule. If you have not actively used this service in the last 30 days, cancel it today, not next month, not when you remember. Today, no exceptions. This one step alone typically saves people between $50 and $150 every single month. Step 2. Calculate your lifestyle inflation number. Take your income from 2 years ago and compare it to today. Then compare your savings rate. If your savings percentage has not grown, you have a problem. Going forward, every time your income increases, commit to directing at least 50% of that increase to savings before adjusting your lifestyle. Step 3. Set a daily micro-spend limit. Give yourself a daily discretionary budget and treat every small purchase as a real financial decision, because it is. Use the 48-hour rule for anything above a certain threshold. Wait 2 days. Most of the time, after 48 hours, the urge is completely gone. The goal of all 3 steps is not to make your life miserable. The goal is to make your money visible. You cannot fight what you cannot see. And now, you can see all 4 ghosts clearly. Let me bring everything together with the key insight from today. Financial ghosting is not caused by bad luck. It is not caused by a low income. It is caused by 4 silent systems that are working against you every single month without your conscious awareness. Subscription creep, charging you for things you forgot. Lifestyle inflation, expanding your expenses to match every income increase. Microspending, draining your account through small purchases. And invisible bank fees, taking money from you automatically. Now you can see all 4. And the moment you can see them, you can stop them. Here is your action plan starting today. Open your bank app right now. Look at your transactions. Find one subscription you do not actively use. Cancel it before this video ends. That one decision alone could save you $100 this month. Then schedule 30 minutes this weekend to do the full 3-step financial ghost audit we covered. If you do nothing else from this video, do those 2 things. The people who build real wealth are not necessarily the people who earn the most. They are the people who keep the most of what they earn. Stop the ghosts. Take control of where your money goes and build the financial future you actually want. This is Rich Routines. If this video gave you value, subscribe. Because every single week we publish content exactly like this. Real financial education that changes how you think about money. Share this video. Share this video with someone whose money keeps disappearing. It might be the most valuable thing you do for them this week. We will see you in the next one.